The Opqpq ODM802 4K digital microscope delivers very sharp, ultra-high-definition imaging that makes tiny solder joints, coin details, and gemstones easy to inspect. Its fast automatic focusing locks onto subjects in about 2 seconds, so you spend more time working and less time fiddling with focus knobs. The large 10-inch in-plane switching display gives a bright color, accurate view that is comfortable to use for extended electronics repair or hobby sessions. A wide magnification range from roughly 2 times to around 2,000 times, combined with even ring illumination, reveals fine surface texture without harsh glare. The integrated helping hand station, with a silicone mat, metal base, and articulated arms, keeps circuit boards and components stable while you solder or rework. Multiple output options, including direct high-definition multimedia interface and universal serial bus connections, make it easy to mirror the image to a computer or big monitor for collaboration or live streaming.